y'all doing, folks? PawPaw again. It's just a quick check-in, just a real quick video. Had a lot of people been asking me how my tomatoes is doing, and so I thought I'd just show you real quick. A lot of people was asking, was I still happy with the idea of using the cardboard? Oh my God! Y'all watch my videos, you know, about PawPaw planting tomatoes and what PawPaw feeds his tomatoes. Just search for tomatoes in the search box. There's on the home page. There's several I've done of the plant in the garden this year. But what I wanted to show you was people's asking how tall have my tomato plants got. Well, I'll have to come back around and operate the camera. But they got so tall that when it rained, they just started laying over. And Lord, there wasn't nothing else I could do about it. But it's like I've got this mass, a huge mass of tomato plants here. And there's only 6, 7, 8, 9. There's only 9 plants here. And they're reaching to the sky, and there's tomatoes way up high. It's pretty cool. Let me show this to you. I'll also, let me turn the camera around real quick and show you all the tomatoes that's growing out yonder in the garden. They doing good out there. I don't know how well you can see them. I don't know until I go back and look at the video myself. But there's a bunch of red ripe tomatoes out there ready for picking. Anyhow, what I want to show you here, this is those plants right outside my front door. And they're reaching for the sky, let me tell you. They're way up there. And I mean, they're up above the daggum garage. Trying to look past these hummingbird feeders. But they have really they've really done well. I'm very pleased. I've got tomatoes that are, I'm going to have a ladder to pick if they don't fall over so I can get to them. Anyway, folks, that's all it is. I just wanted to touch base with you and tell you that the plan for how I grew tomatoes this year turned out to be real good. Here is the base down here where I put down cardboard. And as you can see, there's hardly any weed at all down there. And it's done really well. I'm very pleased. And if the health of these tomato plants don't say it all, I don't know what does. Folks, let me give you a real quick lesson about tomatoes. If you see this happen to your tomato, where it's split open, you're going to find that right after a rain, or right after it's been watered too heavy. This is an indication when it splits open that it got too much water too fast. Ain't nothing wrong with it, as long as you get to it before the pests do. But what happens is that tomato filling up with water faster than it can grow, and it makes it swell and bust. So now you know, if your tomato's swelled open like that, don't worry about it, just eat it. So I ended up filling that pot up. Went out there in the garden, picked some of them that was out yonder in the big garden. And yesterday, if you've been watching my live stream, you'd have seen that big old styrofoam tray I had full of tomatoes. And I'd picked all of them that was ripe yesterday, and here we are today picking another pot full. I'm loving these tomatoes. I hate to see them leave though. They only last so long. Y'all have a wonderful day and a better tomorrow. Bye everybody.